Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to share what I bought from Nykaa. So basically this is a Nykaa haul. So yeah, these all things I have bought from Nykaa. These two parcels is received, and I have ordered 2 times, means not at one stretch I have bought. Okay, so I have bought twice, that's why the parcels are 2. So yeah, in first box, in this first box, this is actually my birthday was on 7th October. So yeah, and I received my parcel on 8th October, and this was and I ordered like 4 to 5 days back. So yeah, that's why I received my parcel on 8th October, and this was gifted by my mom. So yeah, let me show you what I have. So all the parcels I have received in this all the things were wrapped in this particular paper. Okay, so in this I have these all stuffs, like firstly this is a primer from Lakme primer, Lakme Blur Perfect primer, and then I have this and then I have received this I have bought, not received, it's received but I bought. Yeah, I bought this Maybelline foundation, Fit Me foundation. This one I have used today. So this is a really good foundation, so I can tell you what I feel about this foundation. This is a really good foundation, and I've used it today. So yeah, that's why I'm saying let me use 2-3 times, and then I'll give a review on this. And then I have bought this Maybelline concealer. I'm in the shade 110 Fair, and in this Maybelline one I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, this one. And in this one the product is product is like this. I've used it today. Yeah, because I was, I want to use, that's why I used it today finally. And the next thing I bought is the Colossal Kajal from Maybelline. This is my second one. I just freaking in love with this. This is just love. And after that I have bought K-Beauty Kajal. Previously I used to use Lakme Kajals, but once I have bought this is just amazing. This is just amazing. This is so black, I just can't even tell you. If you get this on Nykaa or anywhere, you will get this on Nykaa only. So just grab it, because this is so black. Let me just show you this one. This one is just one stroke, and this is just black. I've used this as my eyeliner today. This is a great kajal. And then I have bought the Lakme eyeliner. This is also my second purchase. Then I have bought this 2 L18 lipsticks. One is, the one shade is Chocolate Day, and second one is Berry Dance. Yeah, I'll show you the shades. This is the Berry Dance, and this is the Chocolate Day. This one. So yeah, this was in my first box. Let me show you the second one. So this is my second box. Yeah, and this one I gifted to myself because it's my birthday, so that's why I gifted to this myself. And in this I have bought Real Techniques brushes, eyeshadow brushes. Yeah, I've used this today only to create this beautiful eye look, and I'll tell you what is the reason behind this beautiful eye look. Yeah, these are the 2 brushes from Real Techniques. This is the first brush, this is the smaller one, and this is bigger than this type of brush. I have bought this too. Then I have Okay, so after that I have bought Nika K eyeshadow palettes. Yes, Nika K eyeshadow palettes. So they are always out of stock. Always. I always wanted to buy, and I always see that these are out of stocks. So that's why I thought I should try them if they are good. So I have heard so many reviews on them. So yeah, these I have bought. So first one is Autumn Spice. Like this is a warm eyeshadow one. Then I have bought Mocha Mix. This one is like brownie, all shades brown. And then this one is Birthday Cake. This is a colorful palette, and in today's eye look I have used this eyeshadow palette. I have used this shade right here as well as this shade, and on the inner corners I have used which one? This one. Yeah, this one I have used. So according to me, these are pigmented, means in this price range these are pigmented. These are beautiful on eyes. If you just blend that, oh my, it's just beautiful. These pigments are just wonderful. So yeah, these were the 3 eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, these were the 3 eyeshadow palettes. These are beautiful. Yeah. Then last thing I bought this my Pond's moisturizer. I thought that let's try this because I was using Lakme moisturizer, so I thought let's try this one. So yeah, these all things I have bought. My mom has gifted one parcel and I have gifted myself. So this is my Nykaa haul. I hope you all like it, and yeah, don't worry, I'll just give my review on all of the things, like on the eyeshadow palettes, I'll swatch all of them if you want, and then I'll tell you about how I feel about the foundation. In just one use, I feel it's just beautiful on our skin. Means it just, it's just beautiful. It blends very nicely. And then about the kajal and about the mascara or eyeliner, everything what I bought. So I'll try to make a review on each and every product. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is my Nykaa haul. So yeah, this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of my channel to you first. And yeah, till next time, take care. Bye bye.